Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Pilot Vector 3-in-1 multifunction pen. And I am always a big fan of multifunction pens, and so I figured I had to check this one out. Alright, now the 3-in-1, in this case, you have a 0.7 millimeter lead, you have a blue ballpoint, and you have the oh so useful PDA stylus thing. And as with a lot of pens, similar, multi-pens, the way you work it is whatever thing you're after, as long as that is face up and you tilted it a little bit of an angle, what'll happen is it's like a gravity feed thing where you get the ink or you get the pencil, like so. And so, oops. Oh, let me get my pencil back. There we go. You get this is the Pilot Vector 3-in-1 multi pen. Alright, and you push the little button right here to release it. And then you have the blue ink. And you have the super useful stylus tip, like so. Now, one thing that I have done with basically every single one of these multi-pens that has a stylus tip, because I do not use it, and I'm pretty sure these old style styluses, they might work on like those 3M little PDAs. They might work on other things, but I just as soon have another pen. Anyway, I'll show you real quick how to change it. But one thing I wanted to point out is this does have the standard thing that I don't like with when pencils are included. You have the little removable cap eraser thing, and it always feels like the cap's just kind of shabby when they have the eraser inside it. I don't know. I'd rather just not have the eraser, but anyway. Now, one thing you can do if you don't like the PDA is the PDA stylus is just unscrew it like so. Let me put that lead back in real quick before I mess with this. Alright. So what you can do, if you want, is you can swap out this crappy little PDA stylus for something useful. And the way you do it is you just basically pull on it and it comes out like so, and you have the stylus. Now, one of my favorite things to replace these with is you can replace it with one of the Fisher Space Pen refills. And Fisher makes refills that work for multi-pens. And the way these refills work is they're basically, I already broke off the one end of this right here, but what it is you get a refill and it's sized for multiple pens. And if you want to use it as a multi-pen, all you do is you double check and make sure you're getting the right length, like so. And then all you do is you pop off the back part, like so, to get it to the right length. And then you just slide it back in. And there's a little spot in there where this will go in. Assuming I can get it lined up. Yeah, there we go. Like so. And then instead of the oh so useless stylus, you can have a space pen refill. Now, about the pen itself, this is actually a pretty... Okay. My only complaint is the cappy thing right here. And I don't like it just feels... It feels light, if that makes any kind of sense. It doesn't feel substantial. The rest of the pen feels very substantial. And this is a really solid feeling pen. And there's weight concentrated down here at the end, which makes it pretty comfortable to write with for me. Now, if you want to pick up one of these, I'll include a link in the description for where you can find it on Amazon, but I don't think I'd get it on Amazon unless it's about $10. Because when I looked, they were more than $10, and I found mine on eBay. I just found a seller who was selling a bunch of pins, and some of them were the pins that I was interested in. So I sent him a message. I was like, I need this pin, this pin, this pin, etc. And they were about $10. So as a $10 pin goes, this is a pretty nice pin, and it's kind of a cool multi-pin, and it's real easy to swap out the refills. So if you were so inclined, you could get a Fisher Blue and a Fisher Black refill. I think they have blue multi-pin refills, and you could use it as basically like a space pin. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Is this a neat pin? A terrible pin? Do you know why people still continue trying to give us styluses? Anyway, let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.